Hi, welcome to the Global Gobble Cooking channel. My name is Adwait and I will be showing you how to prepare delicious Indian and global dishes using very simple procedures and easy to follow instructions. In this video, we will look at a very simple mackerel recipe, Bangdyache Tikhale or Malvani Bangda curry. We have 3 fresh mackerel cut in pieces, half an onion, half cup of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 5 to 6 Kashmiri red chillies, 5 to 6 byadgi red chillies, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, 1 small tomato, sichuan peppercorns or tirphal, 6 to 8 kokam, salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and optional turmeric leaf. First of all, I am going to marinate this fish in some salt and turmeric. I will mix it up and I will keep it aside. Now into a bowl of warm water, I am going to soak in the red chillies, the coriander seeds and the fennel seeds, and I just give it a mix and let it soak. Now into a mixer grinder, I am going to add in the soaked chilies, coriander and fennel seeds along with its water. Into this I will also add the onion, the garlic, the tomatoes. I'll just slice them into a little bit smaller pieces. In that, the rest of the turmeric, and finally the grated coconut. Now I'll grind it to a very fine paste. So this is what your paste should look like after grinding. Now I have taken the masala into a shallow pan, and into this I have added a little bit of water in order to make it into a curry like consistency, like that. It should coat the spoon like this. So now we are going to start preparing the curry. So for that, first I'm going to add some salt into this curry and I'll just mix it around really well, just like that. Clean the sides also. Now after adding the salt, next I'm going to add in the pieces of fish. Now I'm going to take care to leave some spaces between my fish, and also I'm going to just put in one layer of fish. We don't want them overlapping each other. So that's the last one. Now once all the fish are placed inside, next I'm going to add in the kokam. Now what I'm going to do is add the kokam between the gaps in each and every fish. So make sure you have enough kokam to go around. Last one there. And finally the tirphal or sichuan pepper. This adds a nice taste to any fish. And last part is I'm going to add in some turmeric leaves. Now these are dry leaves which I am using, but if you can get your hands on fresh leaves, please use them. They'll also give a nice taste to fish, especially to mackerel. Lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, just 2 to 3 tablespoons of it on top of the fish. Now on a medium flame, I'm going to place this pan and I will just clean the sides of the pan so that they don't dry up. And now I will cover it till it comes to a boil. Once it has come to a boil like this, I'm just gonna take my spoon and just gently stir it around, taking care not to break the fish. I just want to make sure that nothing is sticking to the bottom. Once that is done, I'm just gonna cover it up and let it finish. Now it's been boiling for about 5 minutes now. So as you can see, the oil has started to rise on the top, and the bones of the fish have also started to separate from the meat, so which is an indication that the fish is now completely cooked. So at this point I'm just gonna shut down the flame, and I will add in some fresh coriander, and I'll just keep it covered for a minute or two before serving. So folks, that was my recipe for Malvani Bangda curry or Bangdyache Tikhale. You can have this with chapati or with gaune, but this is best eaten with rice and a little bit of dal. Do try out this recipe and please give us your valuable feedback, and also don't forget to like and share this video, and also please do subscribe to this channel for many more exciting recipes and kitchen tips and tricks. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.